This is a quick video to introduce CNC Stylus, what it does, and a few examples of how it's used. CNC Stylus allows you to remove the router spindle from your CNC machine and replace it with the stylus, which accepts any static tool such as a pen, pencil, vinyl cutter, up to a diameter of 16mm. Here's a few examples of it in use. So, is CNC Stylus compatible with SmartBench and other CNC machines? Yes, CNC Stylus is compatible with smart benches, and if you have a CNC router with a 43mm collar, it's compatible with that too. What size tools can CNC Stylus hold? CNC Stylus uses an ER25 collet system, which can accept a range of collets from 1mm diameter up to 16mm of diameter. This means you can use a large range of common tools like Sharpies, pencils and pens, as well as vinyl cartridges. These do not need to be purchased from Yeti Tool, and you can use whatever you have to hand. What's special about the CNC Stylus is it uses a constant pressure system. The CNC Stylus, which can move up and down freely, uses the mass to apply constant pressure to the tool, no matter where it is in its range. CNC Stylus comes with a retract spacer to allow for 4mm of free movement. This minimises retract times and allows for variation in material flatness. But for special projects, this can be removed to increase this to 19mm. Now we're going to show you what's included when you purchase a CNC Stylus. Come in for a closer look. Quick start guide, CNC Stylus, a vinyl cutting cartridge, 3 sets of blades, a blade height jig, a set of Sharpies, and a set of collets from sizes 8 to 16. That's everything that's included in the box. I hope this has been helpful. If you have any questions, please visit our website to contact our sales team.